Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make bridal coral bead, and the material we'll be using is fishing line, coral beads, small beads, stopper bead, scissors and fishing line. And we'll be learning how to make this amazing bead, and it's so easy to do. It's something that you can do within 5 minutes or so. So we'll be needing this full pack of bead to help us make as many layers of bead as possible. So we'll start by cutting out our fishing line and opening the gold beads into pieces, because the design that my client wants is to have the bead in between the gold beads. I'll be patiently breaking this gold bead so that we can insert it in between the red coral beads to enable us have a wonderful and a finished look. So these beads can be very strong, but you just have to be patient while you separate them and open them. They can even injure you if you are not careful with it, but you just have to be careful and patient. So we are done with opening the gold beads, so we'll go ahead and start inserting the coral bead in between the gold beads to help us achieve our design. And I'm checking my phone to actually see the actual design that my client sent to me, so as to make the to achieve the design and to make the beads more beautiful and better. So I'll be doing this by gently inserting the gold bead in between and using my stopper bead in between too, so as to achieve the right design. This design is very beautiful. You'll really like the outcome if you watch till the end. The outcome is really amazing and is very beautiful. So we'll continue to by inserting our beads and checking the length to get the choker first, because we'll be having like 3 layers of bead. We'll be beading the choker, the second step and the last step, to make sure that we have about 3 layers of bead. Beading is very simple, and it just requires you to have enough patience and to know the actual design you want, and to be able to get it, and to source for your material too. You can source your materials in the market. If you go to the market, you will get your material sourced out where they sell bead. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos. Please, if you're a returning viewer, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm equally saying thank you for all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you for coming by and for watching our video. So we'll continue by checking the design on the phone to make sure that we are getting the actual design sent to us by our clients. And if you really want to get this bead as a gift for your loved ones, for your mom, for your wife, for your sister, or for your big day, don't forget to contact us at the comment section too, so that we can make this beautiful coral beads for you, and is quite affordable. So we'll continue by having our bead we've put our stopper bead, and we are going to end it by putting our hook and eye. Our hook and eye is the last thing you have to do. You just have to put it and insert it in the stopper bead and tie it very well. Make sure it's well tied, and hide the knot in between the big bead so as not to have a good finishing, so to have a very lovely finishing. You don't want to have the knot around your neckline showing, so always drag it in between the stopper bead or the big bead. Any of them can actually hide it. You see, our bead is actually ready, so we are doing the tying and the knotting so as to make sure that this bead will last and is firm. And it's already looking beautiful already. It's really beautiful. Look at the outcome. Always make sure that you're tightening the bead. So start by repeating the same process again to achieve the second layer of the bead. So continue by putting the gold bead and the big bead in between the gold bead, and we'll put our stopper bead, then we'll put our red beads. I'll see the outcome again. It's looking very beautiful already. You can imagine how when you have these 3 layers of bead combined in your neck, how beautiful it will be looking, like an Odogu wife. So to all my Odogu brides, I'm expecting to have an order from you guys. These beads are actually beautiful. You can send us any design of your choice to make sure that we get it for you and do it for you. So just make sure that you send us what you like. See, the beads are already looking beautiful, and we are going to repeat this process to achieve the last layer of the bead, and at the end you'll see how gorgeous it will be looking on our bride. And our clients really loved it so much. And coral bead enhances our traditional outfits. It enhances our clothes. It have this unique fitness when it comes to dressing. It enhances the beauty of a dress. So it's highly recommended for a traditional outfit, or for a banko or engagement look. Most brides prefer these beads, these coral beads, to have them wear it on their big day, because it's actually giving. It's really giving to have these beautiful coral beads on your neck. Is really giving. Really giving. So as you can see, we've repeated the same process for the last one, and is giving already. And the process is really simple. This tutorial is something that you can do by yourself and achieve it just with a twinkle of an eye. It's not something that takes time. It doesn't take time to bead. So it's something that you can achieve with the material listed before the video. It will help you achieve this wonderful and amazing accessory. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our videos. This is the final outcome. Look at our bride. She's looking so beautiful. Look at the beads on her neck. Oh, this is really lovely, and she loves it so much. Look at how it's brought out the beauty on the of the judge. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.